we have to find 10 independent of x in this expansion. X plus 1 by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus x power zero point 0.5 whole power 10. This is a big expansion. We cannot directly use binomial expansion here, right? We should try to simplify this a bit because we cannot directly use a minus b whole power 10 and then calculate the general term and all. Right, first let us try to simplify this. Now, here we have x power 1 by 3, x power 2 by 3, etc. Right, and we have x power half also. So, and this looks like we can use 1 by 3 somehow. Right, so what is x power 1, 2 by 3? That is x power 1 by 3 whole square. Right, minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1. Right. So we have something like a cube plus b cube. When we take x cube, x power 1 by 3 as a, then we have this one as a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square, where a is x power 1 by 3 and b equals to 1. Just by looking at this, we should instantly recognize that this is in the form of a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square. At the same time, here also, this one, we can write it as root x whole square minus 1. Right. What is x? X is nothing but root x whole square. This also we can write it as root x minus 1 into root x plus 1. Right. And here also we can take root x common. This becomes then root x minus 1. Right. This x also we can write it as root x whole square, right? Root x whole square minus root x. Right. So here also we can take root x common. So then this becomes root x into root x minus 1. So left hand side also we can write it as a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square. Right hand side also we can do some simplification. Let us do both of that. Right. This one we'll write it as a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square. That becomes a plus b. Right, because a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, right? So we'll be left with a plus b. What is a? X power 1 by 3 and b is 1. From this part. Here, what will be left? These two will get cancelled. We'll be left with root of x plus 1 by root x. That is this one, which is nothing but 1 plus 1 by root x. Right, so basically we have x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus of 1 plus 1 by root x. Right. So this one and this one will also get cancelled, and essentially we'll be left with x power 1 by 3 minus x power minus half. Right. 1 by x power half, which is x power minus half. So now this is in the form of a minus b whole power 10. This is a general binomial expansion. This is easier to put in general terms. Right. Now this is easier to expand. What is the general term of a binomial expansion? NCR a power n minus r minus b power r. Right. Here n is 10. So tr plus 1th term is 10cr a power 10 minus r, x power 1 by 3 power 10 minus r. That is x power 10 by 3 by 3, 10 minus r by 3. And minus x power minus half by minus x power minus half whole power r. Right, which is nothing but minus 1 whole power r and x power minus 2 by r. So we'll take both the x terms common. So x power 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2. Now this should be the term, this tr plus 1 should be independent of x. What does that mean? The power of x should be 0. Right. Otherwise, we'll have x square, x power half, x power 1 by 3, whatever. We want this one to be 0. Right. So what does that mean? 10 minus r by 3 equals to r by 2, which is nothing but 20 minus 5r should be equal to 0. So r should be equal to 4. That is fantastic. When r is equal to 4, all this becomes 1, because all this will become x power 0, which should be 1. So what is the coefficient? What is the term? The term is actually 10cr, 10c4. Right, what is 10c4? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this we can easily simplify. Right, 3 into 7, 21 into 10, 210. Right, 10c4 is actually equal to 210. So the correct answer is 210. Right, guys. Only little trick here is to identify that a cube plus b cube is here, and to identify that we can cancel x, we can write as root x whole square, right, and simplify both the terms, right guys.